trying a few different tools that I picked up here and there. These guys are my favorite. They work great. This one is nice that it has that extra spot to step on with your foot. This one doesn't have that, but it's nice. It works well. And these I just picked up at yard sales and stuff. Keep your eye out, driving by. That one works pretty good. This one goes maybe an inch farther than the other one. And then it's also nice if you really need to get in there deep, you can step on it. But yeah, they work great. And these raised beds are done the lasagna method. So the bottoms are filled with some logs, rotting logs, and then some branches, and then leaves, and then the soil on top. And most of the soil is just the topsoil from around the edge of the woods here. Nothing special. We add compost into it. So these are just a few of the tools I use to work up my gardens. And I will be planting some of the frost hardy items soon. Please hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.